Are you entrepreneur or business owners having a hard time to generate qualified leads for your business? If you're one of them, hi everyone, my name is Asksur, the founder of Asksur Academy. Today I have an amazing program specially designed for entrepreneurs like you, business owners who are struggling to generate leads and to grow their business. Today I've trained more than 2,000 plus students in the state of Manipur, and I've created lots of success stories in the state of Manipur. Not only that, I also work with some of the international clients like Cash Capital, Global Capital, and so on. And also, if you really wanted to learn this kind of short and crisp to the point, the lead generation mastery, which you can generate leads in the next 24 to 48 hours with full automation system. You don't have to run to agencies and you don't have to do that. This is absolutely free, of course. And if you really wanted to learn this kind of strategy from me, and which I've been trained for the last 8 years in this field. So if you really wanted to join this kind of classes, click the link below to this video, 5 days, and I'll see you inside the classes. Goodbye.